What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down the two trades that I took today. One was an 8% loss, and the second one was a 16% gain. So obviously, as you can see, routine, we got the red arrows are my entries and the purple arrows are my exits. Both of these I use the same amount of size on, 2 contracts on each of them. So real quick, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to show you guys exactly. Actually, I'm going to zoom out first. I'm going to show you guys what we were working with on the in the pre-market. So pre-market, we were creating a range. I drew the bottom of the range, which was 384.25, and the top of the range, which was 385.37. If we zoom out real quick to the 5-minute time frame, I also did draw a fib level that I was looking for. It hasn't necessarily hit yet. It could still hit today, but I'm pretty much done trading for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this so you guys can see a little bit more clearly. So as you can see, we had our 384.25 and our 385.37. Those were our pre-market levels. We got the pre-market resistance right here and then pre-market support right there. So we're going to zoom in to the 1-minute time frame, and I'll show you guys exactly what I saw. So as you can see, we pushed up, we broke that pre-market high. We broke that high in the pre-market. So I wasn't necessarily looking at that. I still thought it was valid, even though we broke it, because we only broke it slightly. We broke it by about 20 cents or so, 20, 30 cents. So it wasn't a crazy break. So I still think that, like, going into the day, it should be valid. This was my thought process. We end up pulling back down, right? And as soon as the market opens, we have this huge candle right here. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. As soon as the market opens, we have this huge candle right here. We end up going down, touching that pre-market low, a little bit past it, and then pushing right back up. At this point, we're below the moving average. So I was looking for puts at this time, but we never got a break and close below 384.25, and the momentum did not look like it wanted to push to the downside. So obviously, as you can see, we started creating those higher lows. Slowly but surely, we ended up breaking above that moving average, breaking above this kind of high, this kind of resistance right here. And we start pushing up to 385.37. Keep in mind, I have not taken a trade in this time period at all, just because it's between my pre-market resistance and my pre-market support. So we end up barely poking above that. I didn't start a trade right here yet because I wasn't convinced that price was going to move up there yet. And obviously you can see it's 10:31 a.m. so the market's still active. We end up pulling back to the 9 and 20, pushing back up off of that and breaking above the 385.37 level. Once we start pushing above and I see us break above this high right here, this the top of this white candle, which I just turned all my red candles to white. Once we see a break above that white candle, that's when I start to look for some entries. And for entries, I'm looking for momentum. At this point, I'm looking for a momentum move to the upside, and my target is 386.15. Real quick, I'm going to go back and show you guys how I got that 386.15. It's kind of tricky in here, but you can see on the 5-minute time frame, we have some support here right around that area. We have a wick right there. We have a resistance right there. Resistance, break above, come back down, resistance, resistance, resistance. So multiple touches at that 386.15. That's why I was looking at that level. It was a key level for me to take profits at. And this is ridiculous, bro. If we zoom in real quick, we can see, right? Nice price action. We get some decent price action to the upside. So I enter. On my first entry is this red arrow right here. Once we're starting to see momentum. We already had this decent candle right here. Once this candle turns green, I'm like, okay, I'm pretty good to go ahead and enter because momentum is moving up, right? I add to my position right here because I start to see another green candle forming. I'm aiming for this 386.15 that I just showed you on the 5-minute time frame. Had multiple touches, perfect to lock in profits and just get out, right? We fall slightly short of that. I had my stop loss at essentially a break and close below the 20 EMA. So moving on with that, we have a push kind of sideways, a little bit of consolidation, break below here, and we're about to break below the 20 EMA. So I somewhat anticipate this because I'm not trying to get stuck in a massive pullback. I'm not trying to get stuck in one of these kill candles right here, right? So I end up getting out of it because it looks like we just consolidated. We're showing every sign of a reversal, a push up, right? Consolidation, and then a move back down. So I'm being cautious here. I get out early, right? As soon as I get out, I kid you not, I get out at the bottom of this candle. As soon as I get out, it goes up, hits my take profit, 386.15, literally perfectly, right? Now the key to this trade, right? I was super frustrated at this point because I'm like, what the heck? Like literally, it goes up, hits my take profit, and I got out literally just before then, right? So I'm annoyed at this point. I take a second, I take a step back. I said, it doesn't matter. Keep moving forward. Look for another setup. Now that this thing starts to reverse here, right? We see all this momentum down. I say, okay, maybe this was just a stop hunt, right? For people to go up here, hit this level, and then start reversing and actually start the downtrend. Once I see this candle and then this candle continuation past this below the 9 and 20, that's when I decide to enter, targeting the break and follow through of the aiming. I'm pointing with my finger, but I should be pointing with my mouse. Basically the hit right here at the moving average. So I'm targeting the break below this pre-market level of 385.37, and I'm targeting the break right here for the entry, and then the moving average to a sell point, right? And obviously, as you can see, I entered once right here. We ended up bouncing. We didn't break above the 9 and 20. Another entry right here, anticipating that. We get a slight break below and then go up, retest the 9 and 20 again, slightly retesting it. Once I see this candle, this wicks above, starts to close back below, I'm convinced that we are going down from that point. Once we form this hammer candle, I'm convinced that we're going down past that point. I hold it all the way down here. We see nice move down, a little bit of profit taking right here, and then I'm still waiting for that moving average touch. We blow right through it, and I sell right into the 80s right here at 384.8, right before we reverse to the upside. So absolutely perfect exit. Obviously, as you can see, there's a lot of volatility in the market right now, but this first trade right here was an 8% loss, and the second trade right here was a 16% gain. So it just goes to show you, number one, if you take a losing trade right here, and this is like pinpoint losing trade, right? Because it goes down, I get out early, anticipating that it's going to fall, right? And then it goes up, hits my take profit. I'm annoyed by that instantly. But if I would have let that annoyance fall into my second trade, then I wouldn't have got this 18 or 16% gain. So it just goes to show you have to keep moving forward regardless. You just have to erase what the past trade just did to you. Learn from it, obviously, but keep moving forward. Because if I wouldn't have taken this trade, I wouldn't have made my money back and I wouldn't be green on the day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.